Giant train wheels begin as extremely heavy steel billets.
Each billet must be heated to forging temperature before shaping begins. Powerful gas burners raise the steel temperature inside the furnace.
As temperature rises, the steel begins glowing red.
Even heating is necessary before the forging press can shape the metal.
At forging temperature, the steel becomes less soft enough to deform under pressure.
Hydraulic pushers move the heated billet toward the furnace exit. The glowing billet is extracted from the furnace. The heated billet moves toward the forging machines. The forging process begins when the hot billet reaches the press. The heated billet is shaped using a giant hydraulic forging press.
Extreme pressure forces the hot steel to spread outward.
Multiple forging strokes gradually form the wheel blank.
The hot metal must be repositioned between forging strokes. The forging press forms a rough train wheel blank. The next stage creates the central opening of the train wheel. Further forging will refine the shape of the wheel rim. The outer rim of the train wheel is expanded using a ring rolling machine. Ring rolling gradually increases the diameter of the wheel. The rolling machine forms the basic rim of the train wheel. The forged wheel now has its full circular form.
The newly forged wheel must cool before further processing begins.
As the steel cools, the glowing color slowly disappears. Shot blasting removes scale and clean the steel surface. Large vertical lathes machine the forged wheel to precise dimensions. Machining removes excess metal left from the forging process. The hub must fit precisely onto the train axle. Precision machining ensures the wheel runs smoothly on railway tracks. Heat treatment strengthens the steel structure of the railway wheel.
The rim must reach a precise temperature before hardening. Rapid cooling hardens the steel rim.
Precision grinding ensures the wheel rim meets exact railway specifications.
Grinding removes microscopic irregularities from the wheel surface. Accurate grinding ensures smooth rolling on railway tracks. The finishing pass creates the final wheel surface.
Every railway wheel must pass strict safety inspections.
Ultrasonic waves reveal hidden defects inside the steel. Laser systems measure the exact dimensions of the wheel. Balanced wheels ensure stable train movement at high speed. Each railway wheel receives permanent identification markings. These markings allow every wheel to be traced back to its manufacturing batch.
Protective coatings prevent corrosion during service. Every completed wheel must undergo a final inspection before leaving the factory.
Identification markings allow each wheel to be tracked throughout its service life.
Only wheels that pass every inspection step are approved for railway service.
Approved wheels are transferred to the shipping department.
The finished wheel must be secured carefully for transportation.
Protective supports prevent damage during shipping. Protective wrapping shields the wheel during long-distance shipping.
Finished wheels are transported to railway maintenance facilities.
Railway maintenance depots install the new wheels onto train axles.
Precise installation ensures safe train operation.